An assisted rotation of the spine with no thrust. Remember the grades of stretch that Jeffrey Maitland has given to stretching of 1 through 5. And I'll illustrate with my hand. From anatomical position, there are grades of stretch, and they go like this. That would be a grade 1 stretch, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 stretch as far as it can be stretched, even with assistance. So there's a grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Grade 4 stretch is stretching it as far as it can without pain, right? Without pain. Stretching it as far as it can go without pain is grade 4. Grade 5 is what the chiropractors do, and that's that sharp thrust. After they get it stretched all the way out, then they do the thrust, and that causes that noise. Noise. Nitrogen. And then they go, oh, there, we got it. Yeah, we got it now. I'm not putting down chiropractors at all. There's people being helped right now walking out of chiropractors' offices. So I'm not getting on their case. I'm just saying that that's what happens. What I want for us is I want us to be masters of the grade 4 stretch. I want all of you to know how to take your clients into a nice grade 4. Sure, start with 1 and 2 and how we doing? Okay. Everything good? Oh, everything's fine. You sure? Everything's way, way good. Oh, yeah. Now breathe into that. And then maybe a little more, and then release, and we're done. That way we don't have to face a lawsuit for practicing chiropractic from a chiropractor who would say that we're practicing their profession. And we don't have to have people saying, oh, that was great. Yeah, you did that. That's what I was looking for. Well, frankly, the key is the treatment. It's not the pop, I can assure you. And I've had a few things pop occasionally. When you move, when you move somebody around, something's gonna give. And you're gonna say something like I say, which is, oh, no extra charge. It just happened. I didn't cause it, I didn't ask for it. It's there, fine, enjoy it. So I want us to be masters of the grade 4 stretch. And that's what we're doing here. We're doing a grade 4 stretch. The side pull, I call it the ASIS pull because I naturally want to get the hand over the ASIS. I'd rather not see you approaching it this way or with your knees not bent and just using your back. Get right up next to the table, place the legs really, it's not the knees, but it's the quads, right up on the table to solidify and stabilize yourself. Reach in with one hand and maybe lift another one. And maybe the third time you can get both hands under the ASIS and just lean back like this. In fact, I urge people to look up because by looking up, it automatically brings you into a lean back position. And take a look at the scenery and then come back down. The ASIS pull, I'll show you again. Pull a little bit there and then getting the hand hooked under the ASIS, the bony prominence there, so that I have a good way of stretching there. That's one stretch. And then while the hand is still there, the left hand, what about if I come back and do something like this? I place the hand, here's the spinous processes. I place the hand on this side of the body, across the spinous processes, and I do something like this. An assisted rotatory aspect in the spine without a thrust.